backyard oasis featuring a sleek, two-story contemporary home with large glass windows and a mix of natural materials like wood and stone. The setting is surrounded by lush greenery, including neatly trimmed hedges and decorative trees. Soft, neutral tones predominate the architecture, accented by the warm natural wood of the overhang. The outdoor space includes comfortable, minimalist furniture, highlighting a pair of elegant lounge chairs placed on a stone patio, complemented by a manicured lawn with geometric stepping stones leading to the entrance. A modern garden scene featuring a contemporary home with large glass walls, blending indoors and outdoors. The setting showcases an inviting patio area furnished with a plush sectional sofa, accent cushions, and cozy poofs. A pathway of concrete stepping stones leads through a lush green lawn, bordered by neatly arranged succulent plants and decorative pebbles. Soft, warm lighting from overhead fixtures creates a welcoming ambience during dusk. The color palette includes earthy tones of gray, green, and warm browns, complemented by the vibrant green of the grass and the subtle blues of the garden plants. Cozy modern garden scene featuring a lush, green lawn with vibrant orange flowers scattered throughout. A neat stone pathway leads to an inviting, glass-walled living room bathed in soft, natural light. The interior is designed with minimalist, contemporary furniture, showcasing warm earth tones and wooden accents. A large tree stands to the left, casting gentle dappled shadows across the space. The setting exudes a tranquil, harmonious atmosphere, blending nature with modern living. A modern, luxurious house set in a lush tropical garden, featuring a striking vertical waterfall cascading down a textured stone wall. The architecture showcases sleek lines and large glass windows, allowing natural light to pour into the interior spaces. The facade is adorned with vibrant green plants and ferns, integrating nature seamlessly into the design. The color palette includes deep greens, rich browns, and hints of warm wood tones on the deck and outdoor furniture. Surrounding the house, a tranquil pond dotted with floating lily pads reflects the greenery. A serene backyard scene featuring a charming treehouse elevated above lush green grass. The treehouse, built of rich, warm wood, boasts large windows with flower boxes overflowing with vibrant geraniums. A wooden deck leads to a cozy hammock, surrounded by verdant foliage and tropical plants. The setting is bathed in soft golden light, indicating early morning or late afternoon. The colors are a harmonious blend of deep greens, earthy browns, and splashes of floral reds and yellows. Modern luxury home interior with an open-air design, featuring a serene pool surrounded by wooden decking and tropical greenery. The setting is framed by large glass walls, allowing natural light to fill the space. The color palette includes earthy tones, soft beiges, and dark wood accents, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Outdoor lounge chairs are positioned next to the pool, with a small table nearby. Inside, a cozy bedroom is visible, adorned with minimalistic decor. Modern Zen garden featuring a lush, tranquil atmosphere, designed in a hyper-realistic style. The scene includes a smooth wooden deck with minimalistic white outdoor furniture, surrounded by elegantly arranged natural stones and vibrant green grass. A variety of plants, including leafy tropical species and sculptural succulents, create rich textures and layers. Large windows of a contemporary house provide a seamless view into the indoor space, filled with soft lighting and neutral tones. A small water feature adds a calming sound, with a round lantern glowing softly in the background. A modern, eco-friendly home surrounded by lush greenery, featuring a two-story structure with expansive glass walls and wooden accents. The lower level boasts a spacious outdoor patio with comfortable seating and a coffee table, seamlessly blending with the natural environment. A tranquil water feature cascades into a pond, embellished with vibrant aquatic plants, while rich, dark greens and earthy browns dominate the color palette. This serene setting is illuminated by soft, warm lighting that enhances the inviting atmosphere, evoking a hyper-realistic style that celebrates the harmony between architecture and nature. Modern outdoor kitchen and dining area seamlessly integrated into a lush garden setting, featuring sleek glass walls and warm wooden tones. The space includes an elegant grill station, polished counters, and minimalist cabinetry. In the foreground, a rustic wooden dining table surrounded by black metal chairs is set against vibrant flower beds with pops of red, yellow, and green. The garden path consists of smooth rocks and white gravel, leading toward a cozy fire pit nestled in a small seating area. The lighting is soft and inviting, evoking a warm, relaxed evening atmosphere. A serene outdoor patio scene with a wooden pergola draped in lush green vines. The setting features a well-maintained garden with vibrant foliage, including hostas and other ornamental plants, set against smooth stone pathways. Soft ambient lighting illuminates the area gently, creating an inviting atmosphere. The background reveals large glass windows of a cozy indoor space, reflecting warm indoor light. The color palette includes rich greens, earthy browns, and soft grays, evoking a tranquil, nature-inspired feel. Modern architectural oasis surrounded by lush greenery, blending indoor and outdoor spaces, hyper-realistic style. The exterior features a striking combination of natural wood and sleek dark stone, complemented by a vertical garden cascading down the facade with various shades of green. A tranquil water feature flows gently, creating a serene atmosphere. The scene includes a well-manicured lawn, dotted with ornamental plants and stepping slabs interspersed with smooth, rounded pebbles. The garden showcases vibrant purple lavender flowers cascading along the edges, contrasted by lush, spherical topiaries trimmed to perfection. The setting is bright and inviting, bathed in natural sunlight, emphasizing the rich textures of the plants and the crisp lines of the stone. In the background, tall trees provide a sense of privacy, while manicured hedges frame the scene, contributing to an overall aesthetic of contemporary elegance and harmony with nature. Modern architectural house at twilight, featuring a combination of sleek glass and rustic stone elements. The facade is defined by large, expansive windows that reflect soft twilight hues. The surrounding landscape showcases a lush, meticulously designed garden filled with vibrant succulents and tropical plants, illuminated by warm outdoor lighting. Include contrasting materials like gravel pathways and smooth stone tiles, integrated with green lawns and textural plants. Modern architectural home surrounded by lush greenery, featuring large glass windows and a sleek, minimalist design. The scene exhibits a harmonious blend of natural elements and contemporary aesthetics, showcasing an impressionistic style. The setting includes a well-maintained garden with manicured grass, large rocks, and strategically placed potted plants. The color palette emphasizes earthy tones, rich greens, and hints of warm wood tones, with soft lighting illuminating pathways and the home's interior. The atmosphere conveys tranquility and an intimate connection with nature, highlighting a seamless indoor-outdoor living experience. A modern architectural masterpiece set in a serene garden oasis, showcasing a harmonious blend of glass and dark wooden elements. The house features large windows that reflect the lush greenery surrounding it. Soft, warm lighting emanates from within, creating an inviting atmosphere. The well-manicured garden is adorned with an array of plants, including neatly trimmed shrubs and vibrant flowers, accentuated by stone pathways and subtle gravel areas. A meticulously pruned bonsai tree serves as a focal point, surrounded by lush ferns and ornamental grasses. Modern architectural design featuring a sleek, single-story house, adorned with natural stone accents and vertical gardens. The facade is richly textured with varying shades of gray and warm brown tones, accented by vibrant green plants. Large glass windows reflect the surroundings, showcasing an inviting interior with warm lighting. The setting is a landscaped garden with smooth stone pathways lined by lush succulents and ornamental grasses, interspersed with pops of color from flowering plants. A serene modern garden path leading up to a sleek, contemporary house, featuring large glass windows and a wooden overhang. The scene is infused with hyper-realistic details, showcasing a carefully designed landscape. The pathway is composed of dark, irregular stone slabs interspersed with smooth black pebbles, creating a natural texture. Lush greenery includes neatly trimmed round bushes and vibrant clusters of tiny red and pink flowers. Lavender blooms add pops of soft purple, harmonizing with the landscape. Background trees are dense and vibrant green, filtering sunlight that casts gentle shadows across the scene. A serene, modern garden courtyard showcasing a blend of nature and contemporary architecture, emphasizing a harmonious balance between design and greenery. The scene is set during dusk, with soft, warm lighting illuminating the sleek, black structure of the house, accentuating the lush foliage. The color palette features deep greens from the plants and trees, contrasted against the dark, textured materials of the building and the calming reflections in the black pool. A minimalistic water fountain serves as a focal point, surrounded by carefully arranged stepping stones that create a pathway through the manicured garden, filled with ornamental grasses and subtle lighting features. A serene modern garden scene in an ultra-modern architectural setting, showcasing a harmonious blend of nature and design. The foreground features a meticulously arranged pathway made of large, flat stones leading through lush greenery, dotted with varying textures of grass, shrubs, and ornamental plants, creating a tranquil retreat feel. A sleek wooden deck extends from the house, complemented by contemporary outdoor furniture. Large glass windows reflect a vibrant landscape, emphasizing openness. The color palette includes rich greens, soft earth tones, and an eye-catching splash of red from flowering plants. A tranquil outdoor space featuring a modern wooden deck leading to a serene pond, surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant plants. The scene is set in a contemporary home with large glass windows allowing natural light to flow in. The deck is composed of warm-toned wood and has sleek, minimalist furniture placed thoughtfully. The pond is dotted with smooth stones and soft lily pads, reflecting the greenery around it. The color palette includes earthy browns, deep greens, and hints of floral colors, creating a soothing atmosphere. Luxurious modern villa surrounded by a lush tropical garden, featuring a serene swimming pool with crystal-clear water reflecting the vibrant greens overhead. The architecture is a blend of concrete and glass, showcasing an open-plan living area that seamlessly integrates indoor and outdoor spaces. Sun loungers with plush cushions frame the pool area, while an elegant wooden deck leads to the entrance. Towering palm trees and diverse foliage create a tranquil atmosphere, with dappled sunlight filtering through the leaves. Lush modern garden scene featuring a sleek, minimalist home. The setting includes a serene water feature with a circular fountain surrounded by smooth pebbles, and a meandering pathway made of dark slate tiles. Architectural elements of the building are made of warm wood tones, contrasting beautifully with large glass windows that reflect the surrounding greenery. Vibrant accents come from varied plant life, including tropical palms, succulents, and a striking Japanese maple displaying rich autumn colors. The atmosphere is bright and tranquil, capturing an impressionistic style with soft shadows and highlights that evoke a sense of peacefulness and harmony with nature.